Hey everyone, welcome back to the A team. I'm back again to give you a review of products that I got from Pauline Cosmetics. I got a foundation and a powder, and that is what I'm currently wearing. And I'm going to give you a review and show you how it holds up throughout the day. So if you like how this makeup look is, keep on watching and get yourself some Pauline Cosmetics because I absolutely love it. So guys, here are the products that I got from Pauline Cosmetics. I actually got this product some time back. I got them around the end of October or um, beginning of November, but I really could not give a review back then because I really wanted to try them out and give an honest opinion on how I like the products. So this is how the foundation comes packaged. It comes in this box, and the powder, it comes in this box. I honestly like the packaging. It looks nice. There's nothing to complain about the packaging, and it has an tribal print. It really looks nice. So I already tried this foundation like twice. The first day it got here, I could not wait to just open this and try it out. So the first time I tried it out without putting on any primer or any, like I didn't wear it with anything. I know that is like the worst thing ever, but I really had to try it out and see how it wears on its own. And I can say it actually wore really nice. That day I wore it at around 11 or 10, and I wore it for the rest of the day. It was really light coverage. I didn't feel like I was wearing anything on my face. I was really comfortable, and it really wore nice throughout the day. Yeah, and it was like just my skin but enhanced. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. There's some bottle that you can wear and you just feel like you have makeup on. Now this is just like, this was so light. I really didn't even notice like I was wearing foundation. So this is the bottle of foundation. Really nice. It is 30 ml bottle. And then this is my powder. It is nice. And then the second time I wore this foundation, I really had like a full on face of makeup, and it was still nice, comfortable and all. And the first time I wore it without primer, without setting spray, and I had my mask on for some part of the day, and it's barely, like, it was minimal transfer to my mask, and it was just on its own. So, and then the next time I wore it with my primer and setting spray, and it still looked nice. So that's one thing I liked about the products from Pauline Cosmetics. The cap also has, I don't know if you can see, the cap also has those tribal markings. It really looks nice, and it's also a pump. You can see I already used it. I already used it like twice so that I can give you an honest review of the product. It is a pump foundation, of which I like that about it, because hygiene, yeah. And then the powder, it comes with this sponge thing. I really don't use it. And then with a cap protection thing, and then that way with a mirror. Yeah, and this was like exactly my shade. I really didn't have to go for test matching, like swatching the foundation on my face and all that. I just sent a selfie with in natural light, and I got my perfect shade. So it is really easy to order this product. I will put the prices of the products on the screen, and then a link to their website in my description box, or the Instagram where you can go and shop their products. They're really affordable. Actually, they're really affordable. So I already um washed my face and moisturized it. Now I'm going to go in with my primer. For today's look, I'm not really going to show you like the rest of my makeup things because I'm concentrating on the review of Pauline Cosmetics. So, and if you see me looking down here, this is where my mirror is. So I'll be looking down a lot to blend and all that. Honestly, compared to some drugstore makeup, like legit drugstore makeup, this and the like of the same price, I really like this Pauline Cosmetics mini foundation. And the powder is really truly full coverage, and it has a matte finish. I will show you how it holds throughout the day because my skin is actually, I have an oily skin, so you'll get to see how it holds throughout the day. If you have a dry skin, then be sure it will look fire throughout the day. I'll try it. And I will show you with my oily skin how it will look throughout the day. I'm going to put 2 pumps. And then I dot it on my face. And then I'm going to use my sponge to blend it out. You can already see it just blends in seamlessly in my skin. Just look at that foundation. Oh my god. And since I've not used a lot of foundation, what I like doing, I did powder my face now, and then I'll powder it again when I finish because of my oily skin. So I powder it a bit now so that it gets like to absorb the oils that are already there and set the foundation in place. And then when I finish again, I set it again. Okay, yeah. So there's my powder. I use a big fluffy brush. You can already see it has already mattified my foundation. Compare this side to this side, it's already covered and mattified my foundation. I really like this powder. Having an oily skin, it is a lifesaver. So I'm going to do the rest of my makeup. I don't know, should I do it on camera or off camera? Maybe we can do a montage of me doing my makeup, the rest of my face, and then I'll get back to you when I'm done. So I finish off with the powder because, as I told you, I have oily skin and I have to do a lot of powder to set everything in. I add my highlight here, see? and then my setting spray. After setting my face, I will now do my lips. So I'm gonna first of all line my lips. And that is my finished look. I will keep updating you throughout the day how it holds up. Considering I have an oily skin, I expect it to get oily around my T-zone and yeah, and here on my cheeks. But other than that, I hope it just holds up well, because the other times it's been really holding up well. So see you throughout the day. So guys, it's close to 7 hours later, and sorry about the lighting and everything. I'm in my office room right now, and the foundation and powder has held up quite well, considering I had my mask on for a few hours. For some, like, I think half of the time I had my mask on. As you can see, there has been like a bit, it's not as fully covered as it was before, because the powder that I put on top is the one that has transferred to my mask. That's why I put on my powder, setting powder, twice, because so when you wear your mask, only the powder that you finish with is what is going to transfer to your mask. The other powder will still, like your foundation and your powder, will still be intact throughout the day. And obviously my lipstick is gone because I had lunch and all. Yeah, and it has also smudged here. I don't know if you can tell because I wear glasses. And I think that is pretty much it. It's not as oily as I thought it would be, but it's a bit oily around my nose, but it's not like super oily that is actually disturbing me to touch it up. I'm not touching it up anytime right now. I'm just gonna let it be like as it is, unless I find it super oily. That is when I'm going to do a touch up, and I'm going to show you when I do a touch up. If not, let's hope it's going to stay this way mpaka jioni, and I'll show you when I'm taking off my makeup. So see you then.
Later that same evening.
So guys, it's almost 11 hours later from when I did my makeup look, and as you can see, I still look okay, apart from like where I had worn my mask. Only the finishing powder that I used at the end is what has come off. I have not touched up throughout the day, but I feel if I touched up with the powder, I can extend the wear to a few more hours, like 5 more hours or so. But it still looks nice, apart from like my T-zone where I was expected to get oily because I have oily skin. Rather than that, I like how it has held up throughout the day. So I will 10 out of 10 recommend the Pauline Cosmetics products, because they're like, whatever you've heard about it, it's what it is actually about. So 10 out of 10 recommend Pauline Cosmetics products. Thank you for watching this video till this point. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And the link to the products will be down in the description box below. I forgot to mention something. I ordered the products online, and I received the products within 48 hours direct to my doorstep. I was just called in the morning, and my products were delivered to my house. So no worries about going anywhere. They can be delivered to your home within 48 hours. So thank you again for watching. See you in my next video.